If you clicked on this video, you're in the right place. This is how to make a cool thumbnail on YouTube, step by step. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video on how to make a thumbnail. Enjoy! Hi, my name is Skyler1640. Welcome back to another video. This is the tutorial on Pixel Editor. If you want to make professional thumbnails like I do on YouTube, stay tuned. All you gotta do is create an image and go to present and scroll all the way down to 720p movie and 1280 by 720p. There you go. Then you go up here to images, not images, but you go up here to open layer as image. You go to layers, you open images layer. You could do this one, purple background. You could do a purple background like I am doing. Then what you need to do next is if you want the black shadow around your picture, you click this button, new layer. Then you go here to drawing tool. Oh, not the drawing tool. Yes, the drawing tool. You go up here, click on one side or two. You always got to add a layer. Doing this. Take this, and then you go here, and there you go. See the black line, as you guys can see? Then you go up here, scroll down again with the tool. See another black line right there, and you go over, keep doing this the way you want to. Then you go to filtering, then you go to coloristic blur, and then you got the blurry background on your image, as you guys can see here. Then if you want to add a text or anything else onto your image, all you got to do is go to layer, open image as layer. Let's say if you want to add like a cool little Minecraft character to your oops, my bad. If you want to add a cool little Minecraft character, to move this guy, all you gotta do is click here, then go to free transform, move them around, press shift, and make them however you want. Then to add a image or something, not an image, but to add a text, all you gotta do is click here, go to the text first, and you can go get fonts from different websites, which I'll put a link where I got my font, so y'all can go check it out. The size you want at least 100 to 44 size. If it's too big for y'all guys, y'all can scale it down. I normally use that size. Let's name this how to, and because it's the tutorial on the video I'm making today. Alright, if it's too big, you can always scale it down. Scale it down. Then what you want to do is go to layer styling, and go to layer styling, go to outer glow, then you want the opacity to be at 10, then the color you want, if you want to be like black, click that. Then you could add more darkness to your color right here, as you guys can see in my thumbnail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a creeper right there. Now I kind of want to move the creeper over. Let's see, you scroll down to layer 3, which is the one you got here. Then you go to free transform, like I showed you guys earlier. You go to free transform, move the creeper over just a tad bit, like down here. And let's say if you want the text just a little bit more bigger, you click here, then you go here, then you click here. And you can make it just however big you want it. And if it fits, let's see if it's going to fit in there. It's not going to fit. So what we would do is click back on it again, make the size to 137, or however big you want the text. But if it's too big, you guys, click here. We want our size to be around 130, because look, it matches the print of our thumbnail, as you guys can see. Mine pops out pretty good. Or we could do 129. That'd be just perfect. Then you press OK. Then what you want to do, you guys, and if you want to blur out the image of the background just a little bit, you go to Filters, you go to Glass Blur, and you blur it out just a little bit, like that. That's what I like right there. You can blur it like that, because it will show the thumbnail. It'll show what the video is talking about into the thumbnail. So, which one? You go up to Files, you press Save, take the quality all the way up, and save it. Save it anywhere in your desktop. Yeah, there's okay. And you save it, and that's about it. Hope you like and subscribe, and like the video if you enjoyed it. I hope this helped you out making your custom thumbnails, you guys, because this really helped me out on YouTube doing my thumbnails and everything else. I hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to you guys later. Bye, guys. See y'all later. Enjoy your amazing thumbnail.